trusted, yeah. But I let my guard down for you. Said I put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm my money. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm my money. I'm a dog, I'm my money. No crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 live on pants size, cause I'm trying to break it in. New condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm mine. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm mine.
Today is Tuesday. Yeah, and if you're wondering why Mercy is covering her mouth, she has a bit of a situation. A really bit of a situation. You guys, my mouth hurts right now as I'm talking. It's so painful. Sorry. I don't know, I just woke up yesterday and I had an extra lip. I've been taking real good care of her. Like, what are twin sisters for? I honestly wish goodness can be my mouthpiece right now, because as I'm talking right now, I'm in pain. Sorry. But you can just do us a favor by showing us your lips. It's so disgusting. I can't show you guys. I'm really sorry. Just open it. So are you going to cover your mouth throughout the video? Yes. What? Like, it was so difficult brushing and eating, by the way. But I promise you, before the week runs out, you are going to see a different. You just opened it. Anyways, guys, so what we are going to do today is, this week we plan to start working out. The plan is to work out 2 times, 1 off, 2 times again. So I guess that's like 4 times in a week. So different days, different workout routines. Yeah. And also, since we've healed our guts, we're already eating right, we are already back to working out, because we had to take a break, because honestly our diet was not good, because once you work out and you're eating nonsense, you're not going to see results. Exactly. But now that we've figured it out a little bit, we're gonna see results. Okay, you see this right here, this cucumber water has been making us so alert. Like, this is the second one we're drinking today. Let's get into this workout routine. I really need somebody. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. Front of it, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Baby, tell me what you in the mood for. Tight shit, we should get a room for. Got me in the mirror getting cute for it. Lay back, let me show you what I do for it. Pull out the ballet in a new toy. Blow back, now we kissing in the food court. You the type that I would've skipped school for. As you can see, we just finished working out. Yeah, and honestly, I feel tired, but I feel so good. Baby, that burn was so intense. I want to have breakfast, and we made something very quick for breakfast. Yes, and we used the air fryer. They call it muffins, right? Yeah. So this is it. It's just like cake, and it smells so nice. It smells so nice. Oh my god. See it? It feels so good. Ooh. I can't believe that there's no added sugar here. It is nice, trust me. So we're going to drop the recipe for you guys down below. It is so nice. It is very nice, trust me, and it is high protein. It tastes like cake. It tastes just like cake. I can't even pick between this or the milkshake. I wanna live in your skin. When I jump out, you jump in.
fit all this in my pants. Same way I fit you in my plans. Let the fact that we just friends. And I hate that we just friends. Round two, he want revenge. Over and over again and again.
The thing is, we're going to be creating content within the week, and we are always not feeling up to like cooking, the strength and everything. So what we're going to do is that we're going to meal prep, and whenever we're creating content, or
just warm it and eat.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it the reasons why we both can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. We both can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong. No one knows but us. The feelings rush every single time we touch. Even though it's what we want, can't keep this up. No, but I just don't wanna leave you.
I don't know if you guys can hear me very well, but it's Wednesday morning. Goodness, is still asleep. I'm trying my best not to wake up. Yeah. And you guys know that actually yesterday, because of my leg back, we can't even work. We have pending brand deals. Brands are on our neck at the moment, and in fact, and I'm feeling so bad. You can see my leg is actually better right now, and I'm hoping tomorrow I should be able to film some content. And I feel bad for goodness too. We've actually been bedrotting. We've just been staying up late throughout yesterday. We didn't really achieve anything much apart from working out. Didn't work out. Yes, we worked out yesterday. Today is our rest. By the way, I don't want to be goodness. So just try to reduce my voice. I feel like we're unproductive at the moment. And I know it's because of my leg, but it is what it is. At least I'm getting better, and I thank God. By the way, we've actually seen a movie yesterday. Yes, we slept in late last night. I know goodness is going to get mad because I brushed my teeth before. We actually love, doing everything together, including brushing our teeth. So why I brush my teeth is because I want to sit up and, be editing content. And I don't know if I should also prepare breakfast. I also got my period yesterday. And to be honest, I don't feel like doing anything. I'm just having that ish, like I'm irritated. You understand? So just took care of myself this morning, So let's just edit content, and I'm trying my best not to be goodness.
Only because you ain't here.
Using this IUNIK. We're using just their moisturizer before, but then the sensors, they are PR book. And one thing I love about it is that it's for sensitive skin. Honestly, right now we apply all these products on our face. This is the serum, moisturizer, this is the sunscreen, and this is also the cream. It's more thicker, Yeah, and it feels so soft on the skin. This is a sign for you to go and try that Korean skincare because this is so good. This is so lovely, honestly. Yeah, we're able to film us applying the product here because we're already filming a short form content for Instagram and TikTok and also YouTube shorts. So we also try as much as possible that any content that we film that day we post that same day.
Situations, come on, y'all. We look right, hey, but you gotta be smart about it. Son of what? Yeah, with the guys, I sacrificed because I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you. You are my girl. You see,
This is going to be the end of our vlog. Yeah, and we didn't really make the most out of this week. But honestly, we are so glad that we are able to film. Actually, yes, you can see Mercy's lip is already getting better. We're not able to film content. It was just today that we filmed content, like as we are working just like a lifestyle content. To be honest, I'm just happy that we're able to complete our workout. We just finished working out now. Yeah, so we're able to work out 4 times this week, and honestly, I'm so proud. I'm proud too. It's just that the pains on my mind. It's not exaggerated. People they are not exaggerating this. It is painful. I guess it's because it's our first week, and I know by next week the pain is going to subside. So we have a wedding to attend. This card admits 1 person. So we're not going to sew something so much. We're just going to keep it casual. So next week, I would love us to start a routine, a 5 a.m., 6 a.m. morning routine. I really hope that we can adapt to that. It's difficult to. Honestly, I really hope that next week we're really going to, be able to achieve a lot of things. I'm not really happy with us this week. Yeah, although since we worked out, like it's made us feel good. But also we have weddings to attend. We have to make lots of videos, lots of content, and the rest. And we need to be good. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.